Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best slushy machines is probably one of the most refreshing ways to beat the heat and elevate any gathering. These machines are not just for commercial use, they're perfect for home parties, events, or simply enjoying a cold treat on a hot day. Whether you're a fan of classic flavors or looking to experiment with unique concoctions, a slushy machine opens up a world of icy possibilities. Number 5. Aqua Shaved Ice and Slushie Maker. Introducing the Aqua Shaved Ice Maker. This machine makes delicious shaved ice, snow cones, and slushies at home. It's perfect for creating refreshing treats. This versatile machine isn't just for snow cones. It can also create slushies and even cocktails. The sharp blades shave ice with precision, resulting in fluffy frozen treats. Customize your treats with your favorite ingredients. Add fresh fruit for healthier options. The included recipe guide helps you create unique flavors, right in your kitchen. This shaved ice maker doubles as a cocktail maker. Get creative and make artisanal shaved ice cocktails and mocktails. The possibilities are endless with this machine. The Aqua is lightweight and compact for easy storage. It's also easy to disassemble for a quick and easy cleanup. It's a convenient addition to any kitchen. The package includes the Shaved Ice Maker, a recipe guide, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to start making delicious frozen treats is included. What we like? This machine is not just for slushies, it's a versatile treat maker. It allows you to create cocktails, shaved ice, and more. If you are looking for a machine that can handle a variety of frozen treats and is easy to store, this is the one for you. What people say? This little machine works great for my kids. They can easily operate themselves and it's easy to use and clean. Worked efficiently and fast creating shaved ice for my cold beverages. Well built. Cleans easily. Very easy to use. Number 4. Nostalgia 128-ounce frozen drink and margarita machine. With this machine, you can create a variety of frozen drinks. It's easy to use and perfect for margaritas, smoothies, and milkshakes. Enjoy refreshing ice-cold drinks at home. Prepare multiple servings at once with its large capacity. The double-insulated design keeps drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. It's perfect for parties and gatherings. Take the party anywhere with the carry handle. This slushy machine is easy to lift and portable. The handle also secures the lid for easy transport. The blending chamber detaches from the base for easy cleanup. Spend more time enjoying your frozen delights and less time cleaning. It's designed for convenience. Nostalgia offers unique and fun products. We embrace the present and look forward to the future. This machine brings a touch of nostalgia to your home. What we like? This frozen drink maker is perfect for parties, offering a large capacity for multiple servings. The double insulation keeps drinks cold for hours, and the handle makes it easy to transport. If you frequently host gatherings or need a portable solution for frozen drinks, it's a great choice. What people say? Easy to use. Made his first slushie today, worked like a charm. Just flip it on for a few seconds before each pour to mix it back up. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Snow Cone Machine. Introducing the kid-friendly S700 electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to slushies. This machine makes it easy to create your own icy treat station at home. This Hawaiian shaved ice maker is simple to operate and clean. It's also portable and easy to store when not in use. You can use homemade ice or store-bought cubes. Prepare cool treats quickly for sleepovers, parties, or family gatherings. It makes 2 snow cones per ice block. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Give your blender a break and use it for cocktails, add flavor to your drinks, or make granitas and more. It's a versatile machine for all your frozen treat needs. This machine is easy to operate and stores away conveniently. It uses standard 120-volt electrical plug-in. It also has shelf-stable syrups that are nut-free and require no refrigeration. Add flavor to anything with a wide variety of syrup options. It's not just for shaved ice. Check out the syrups, accessories, and other machines. It's compact, with dimensions of 6.5 inches by 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches. What we like? This machine is designed with kids in mind, making it simple and safe to use. It's perfect for creating fun treats at home, and the warranty provides peace of mind. If you have children and want to make fun, icy treats, this is the perfect option. What people say? This works great. Shaved ice fast. Durable, well made, and good size, not too big or small. It is very easy to use, the kids did it all themselves. The machine is so easy to use and wipe dry after use. Number 2. Magic Slushy Maker Squeeze Cup, Blue. Tired of complicated smoothie machines? This cup uses a food-grade freezing liquid to quickly turn your favorite drinks into a refreshing treat. Just squeeze it for a couple of minutes, and it's ready to enjoy. Made with food-grade silicone, this slushy maker is safe for you and your kids. All the parts are non-toxic and environmentally friendly. It's a great gift for children. Create unique smoothies with the whole family. No complicated steps are needed, everyone can make their own at home. It's a fun and engaging activity for all ages. Simply freeze the cup for a few hours, pour in your drink, and squeeze. Wash it and refreeze to start the next freezing adventure. It's that easy to make delicious slushies. This cup comes with a straw and spoon combo, perfect for enjoying your slushie. You can use it as a spoon or a straw, meeting different needs. Enjoy a slushie party with different flavors. If the cup is too hard, let it sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes. Then, squeeze for a few minutes, and you'll get your perfect slushie. The best freezing time is around 5 hours. What we like? This slushie maker offers a unique, quick freeze design, allowing you to make slushies in minutes. It's easy to use and reusable, making it a convenient option for quick treats. If you like the idea of making a slushie in a flash, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Works great. My daughter loves making ices and doesn't need my help. Very easy to do, just wet before freezing. This cup is amazing, everyone loves this at my house. I put my favorite drink in, it works really well. Freezes fast. Can use juices or pop. My kid loves it. Number 1. TIKTOK Magic Slushy Cup, DIY Slushy Maker, Pink. Tired of waiting for your drinks to cool? This amazing cup can turn your favorite beverages into refreshing slushies in seconds. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone who loves a cold treat. The secret is the built-in freezing liquid. It rapidly chills your drinks without diluting the flavor. Just squeeze and enjoy a delicious, icy slushie. Making your own slushies is a breeze. Freeze the cup, add your favorite drink, and squeeze for a few minutes. It's fun for the whole family. This cup comes with a unique straw-spoon combo. You can use it as a spoon or a straw, and it's detachable for easy cleaning. It also includes cleaning brushes. Made from high-quality silicone, this cup is durable, washable, and reusable. Take it with you to the office, gym, or anywhere. It's the perfect on-the-go treat. This cup is so easy to use, even a child can do it. Customize your own flavors and enjoy the process. It's a great way to bond and have fun. What we like? This cup's built-in freezing liquid can transform your favorite beverages into refreshing slushies in seconds. It is easy to hand make and portable, so you can enjoy your slushie anywhere. If you want a quick and easy way to make slushies on the go, this is the perfect choice. What people say? The machine is easy to use and clean. It makes perfect slushies every time. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.